Please tell me your name.
My name is Milan Jaiswal.
Your roll number for this exam?
My roll number is 402552.
Okay. So give me a formal introduction.
I am born and brought up in Lohnipada, Sundargarh, a village from Sundargarh. I completed my schooling 10 plus 2 from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sundargarh district. Then I completed my BTech from Kaustubh Institute of Self Domain in branch Electrical and Electronics. After that I got married and now I am a mother of a child. My kid is 5 years old, and after that I started preparing for civil services in 2018 only, and this is my second attempt. My hobbies are listening songs, baking, cooking, and my strength is my adaptability, my punctuality and discipline in my life. And my achievements are, I have represented my school in Regional Science Congress for 2 times. I attended a workshop on Chhau dance and represented my school in Chhau dance. I qualified GATE for 2 times in 2013 and 2014 and secured 92 percentile and 94 percentile respectively.
Okay. So इठी किछटा आपनको changes करिया पे पड़िबो.
Yes sir.
Okay. In the introduction.
Okay.
Formal introduction एटा होची. So सेटा में briefing जेतोले देबे तो सेतोले से माने केतरे दिनसो करबे कि do not disclose it
Okay,
in the interview room. First वाला name तो एबे से माने domicile भी कहउछु लेकिन कोड रो आसी.
Okay sir.
Okay. So semana सेति पई एटी होम डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेखिना. एटी बेसिकली से आपनकर प्रेजेंट एड्रेस ता पचाई.
Okay
So
sir.
they'll ask you questions about your present address, etc.
Okay.
Okay, say district ऊपर पचाई बारी. So ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଗଲା personal details କିଛି ରହିବନି, like you said na I got married and so that is quite evident. Okay, तो ସେଇଟା କିଛି କହିବେନି.
Okay sir.
तर structure ହେଲା first you start with the highest qualification.
Okay sir.
So I am a engineering graduate. Okay, in this domain from this institution.
Okay, sir.
This year I have passed, that you can say. So after current status. So presently I am preparing
Okay sir.
for competitive exams. And apart from taking care of my
Kid.
family. Okay. So saying you can expect questions कि केमिति अपन how will you balance? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Work life balance. छोटा ता ऊपर ऐसे question. Next ऐसे वाला अपन hobbies. So my hobbies are क्या अपन देखते हैं. अच्छा, listening songs will not be a hobby.
Okay sir.
Singing can be a hobby. माने hobby रे कौन था ये? Some kind of involvement अपन को थी वाला.
Okay
So
sir.
watching TV will not be a hobby.
Okay sir.
Watching dance program is not a hobby.
Okay,
It is
sir.
a pastime. Okay. अपन को but dancing is a hobby. Singing songs is a hobby. Not listening to songs.
Yeah, I also sing songs, but I only mentioned singing. So I only mentioned learning. I thought question might be asked from singing also. It is
Okay.
kind of inclusive for me. I thought it is included in that only.
Okay, so listening to songs, so you can say
Singing also.
Singing, you can just write.
Okay, sir.
And baking, that is fine. And fourth point will be achievements.
Okay, sir.
And that also you have to divide. You can divide it like in this case. My academic achievements include this represented school at regional level. Okay, that is regional level in Chhau dance.
Yes sir.
And regional science congress. So science congress would be your academic achievement. Chhau dance would be your extracurricular achievement. Okay. And qualified GATE in 2013.
So shall I make separate blocks in that particular area?
No. If they ask for it,
Okay sir.
you have to tell them.
Yes, sir.
You have to tell them.
Okay sir.
These are the 4 things you have to say.
Okay sir.
That first one, that domicile,
Okay,
that
sir.
depends on what instructions they give.
Okay,
Some boards do not allow that, some boards allow that. So name will not be allowed in any case. Okay, but domicile is basically, if they don't say anything, you can start
So
saying.
what would I say if they ask me about my permanent address and all? Where am I
Generally, they are
from?
not asking that. It has been advised not to, go to the, because there may be some kind of a bias. Okay.
They may ask about, tell me something about your hometown. So I should explain Cuttack or I should explain Sundargarh at that point
you
of
prepare
time.
for both. So
I
yes,
should prepare for both.
Current address is Cuttack, we
Okay.
can go for Cuttack.
Okay.
If they tell you about your place of birth and all, then you can go for Sundargarh.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. So, tell me something about your home district.
My home district is Cuttack. My home district is Sundargarh, and Sundargarh consists of 17 blocks. And Mr. Nikhil Narayan is current district magistrate of Sundargarh. Sundargarh is famous for hockey, which is in limelight now. Sundargarh has contributed to giving Indian hockey almost 50 to 60 players. The prominent being Dilip Tirki, Ignesh Tirki, Deep Rani Eka, which is now in Indian team. And Sundargarh is very rich in ores and minerals, specifically iron ores, manganese ore. And in healthcare facilities also, Sundargarh is having one dedicated medical college, High Tech University, and also BPUT head office is present in Sundargarh. Sundargarh is having a steel plant of Odisha first Steel Authority of India Limited, Rourkela steel plant. And Sundargarh population composition is basically 40% of the population is ST and SC. And 95% of the people belong to rural areas. Only 5% of people in urban areas like urban areas in Rourkela and Sundargarh only. In history of Sundargarh is basically it is formed by merging two places, Gangapur and Bonai districts, and it was named Sundargarh on 1948 after the merging of Gangapur and Bonai districts. It is the second largest district of Odisha.
Okay. So tell me about the main rivers in your district and some great personalities of your district and what they have contributed to the society.
First great river flowing through my district, Eve River, Sankh River, Koil River. Sankh River and Koil River forms Brahmani River, which flows from our district. Mainly these three rivers flows from the district. And famous personality would be currently Joel Oram, Mr. Joel Oram, who is the MP, belongs to BJP, and Ms. P. Tete, MLA from Sundargarh district, and Dilip Tirki, Ignesh Tirki, Deep S. Lakra. They are all famous personalities belonging to hockey. And this much, sir, I recall this much only now.
Right. So suppose if I ask your suggestion to tell me the three most important or most famous tourist places of Cuttack district, what are those three that you would suggest me and why?
For Cuttack district, I would suggest first would be Baravati Fort.
Okay.
And Baravati Fort complex that we into Baravati Stadium also. And second would be the Naraj area, Naraj barrage area. And third would be the bridge, Mahanadi Bridge, Kathajodi Bridge area.
Okay. What are the major temples and religious places apart from Hindu religion, other religions also in Cuttack?
A famous mosque, I don't remember the name right now, is present in Cuttack, I think in Bakshi Bazar, Chaudhary Bazar area. And also a Sikh temple, Sikh Gurudwara is also there, famous Sikh Gurudwara is also there in Cuttack. Apart from Hindu religious places would be Cuttack Chandi, famous Cuttack Chandi temple, Gauda Chandi temple. Other famous temples related to Hindu religion in Cuttack.
Okay. So you have done your 10th standard from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya.
Okay, sir. sir.
Tell me something about the concept of Navodaya Vidyalayas and what was the main aim of establishment of Navodaya Vidyalayas, and are they spread all over India or there are some states where they are not present?
Okay, the idea of Navodaya Vidyalayas was first conceived by former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, and it was first started in 1986. And the core idea behind establishment of Navodaya Vidyalaya was to provide residential facilities plus education to people, I think children belonging to rural areas mainly, irrespective of their economical and financial conditions, and education facilities available over their areas. And they are conceived to be established in every district, but now only 635 around Navodaya Vidyalayas are present in every state of Odisha except Tamil Nadu. Odisha state have 29 Navodaya Vidyalayas, and head office is Mundali, Cuttack. And core area is providing all the facilities to people belonging to rural areas, which is not available as compared to the children belonging to urban areas, like residential facilities, coaching facilities also, and computer or technology related facility plus sports and cultural activities also. And all these are provided free of cost to them.
Okay. And it is present in all the states of India?
No sir, except Tamil Nadu.
Except Tamil Nadu. Why it is not there in Tamil Nadu?
I don't remember the cause.
Okay, because they do not accept or follow the 3-language policy.
Yes sir, I think the migration policies they are in Navodaya Vidyalaya, which is basically the cultural assimilation of the people of different states. Suppose I will say Sundargarh district Navodaya Vidyalaya, from where I studies, there is a migration policy to Malhar, the district Navodaya Vidyalaya, Bilaspur district of Chhattisgarh. So it is a kind of ODI people intermingling with the people of Chhattisgarh district, Hindi speaking or Chhattisgarh speaking people. So this is a kind of cultural assimilation, integration of the people. So they follow English plus Hindi plus local language. So I think this is not accepted by Tamil Nadu. I am not confident.
Because of the Dravidian politics, they are opposed to Hindi.
Okay, sir.
So English and their local language. Okay, that is what. Okay. Why there is around 11% drop in your marks in 10th to +2?
Sir, when I was in Navodaya Vidyalaya, I have taken subject computer science, physics, chemistry, maths. So in 10th, we normally don't require any extra coaching. We mainly depended on NCERT books and reference books. For 12th, especially in physics and computer science, we need some extra classes and tuitions and reference books, which are not provided at that time in my school. My only highest percentage in my school was 83% only, and there is no extra coaching or tuition facilities. Only we have to study of our own. Only followed the NCERT books. That is the only cause, sir.
You did not have access to internet and all those things?
No, sir. At that time, we didn't have access to any internet.
Okay.
Even don't have any access to any coaching for preparing IITs and JEEs and NITs. So that is one of the I can say disadvantage of 11th, 12th in Navodaya Vidyalayas. So they are working on this. They have now created a Dakshin Foundation, which is now providing coaching to selected people from 11 or 12 for the preparation of IIT, JEE, and it is started from 2015 only, and basically done by the alumni of JNVs only.
Okay, so you have done your graduation in electrical and electronics.
Okay, sir.
But you have taken your optional subjects as history and geography. Can you tell me why?
Sir, I started preparation in 2018 only, and there is a gap of 3 years in my education only. After 2013 when I passed out, basically 2014 when I gave up studies and I got married. And in these 2 years, I basically not in touch with any electrical subject or electronic subject. When I started preparing, I was not in a condition to join any coaching classes. I don't have time for that. So I went through YouTube and all the materials available online and find out the geography and history. Enough of materials in 2018 was available on internet or any other books and stores, and was easy for me to get acquainted with the subject and easy to understand because all these things are studied in school level also. So I actually opted history and geography.
How will these two subjects help you as an administrator? Can you tell me?
Geography, we basically studies our climate, our forest, agriculture and all, knowledge of which will help us the development for development of agriculture, development of forest, agroforestry and all, flood management, disaster management, all will help as a will help me in disaster management, forest management and all. In history, we basically learn about the history of a particular area and what are the sorry sir.
No, whatever you said is correct. You can continue in history, how it will help you. Yeah, the history of a particular area, and the history would obviously affect the
Okay sir, how
society,
and all, how the cultural practices, basically I can say Media practice was there in Khons and Gonds,
Yes.
which was suppressed by British in that area, and as an administrator how I could help out the people, get them aware about the evil practices they are still continuing in these areas and all.
Okay, fine. So you have chosen Odisha Administrative Service as your first preference, Odisha Cooperative Service as your last preference.
Okay sir.
Why? Any particular reason for the first one? Why you have chosen Odisha Administrative Service?
It is basically related to self-actualization. I always wanted to be in a higher decision-making post, and I have not chosen OPS because I don't think my skills and personality will match the requirements of OPS, which is mainly dealing with criminals and all. And I think I need to improvise my skills for all other options available there.
Okay. So, what are the songs that you basically sing or listen?
I basically listen to slow music, don't like this rap and all melodies and all. Slow music, old songs, basically some of my selected favorite singers I can say, Kumar Sanu, Lata Mangeshkar, Shreya Ghoshal's songs.
Okay. So you participated in show dance.
Yes sir.
So like what you know how to you have taken training on that?
Yes, I have taken 6 months training on show dance.
On show dance.
Yes sir.
Okay, and this is what the show which we practice in Mayurbhanj.
Yes sir, Mayurbhanj show only.
And what are the other forms of show?
There are 2 other forms, Purulia Chhau and Saraikela Chhau, based on West Bengal and Jharkhand respectively.
And what is the difference in these three? Can you tell me?
Early all the 3 forms were using mask. Now only Saraikela Chhau and Purulia Chhau use mask. Mayurbhanj Chhau does not use mask now.
Okay. So and you have performed?
Yes sir, I have performed.
Show dance?
Yes sir, I have performed
Okay.
show dance.
This is basically a group dance, or it can also be performed solo.
It can also be performed by I perform in group dance only.
So whatever experience and all you have got from this show dance, how it will help in your administrative career? What are the major or core values, or what are the things that you have learned from show dance?
Show dance performance are basically based on mythological epics Mahabharata, Ramayana, and now with progression they includes the household codes of rural women, basically Uflis and all, and also the fighting practices of militias called pikas and all. So it basically shows the evolution of a culture from mythological epic period to a present society, how it has been changed. And the cultural heritage of Picus is also live in this Chhau dance.
And you had also represented your school in regional science congress.
Yes, sir.
So you have made some project which was selected or what?
It was based on academic performance in the school, in class 9th and in class 11th.
Okay. So your career is also good and you have qualified in GATE also in
Yes, sir.
2013-14. Why didn't you join any service or any company? You are not, you did not want to go for employment?
Sir, when I passed my class 12th, I was not aware of many opportunities available outside. The IT sector and engineering sector was at boom at that time in the 2009 year. So I went with the flow and joined engineering. And after some years, 2 to 3 years, after contacting with my seniors and all, I didn't find any attraction towards the corporate job. So, and at that time no core sector campus were there in our college. Means I would never wanted to join IT sector and core sector placements were not there. So I opted for GATE and I tried. I get 10,000 rank, 10,1100 something rank in orienteering, but was not able to join IITs or NITs. So at that time my family situation are not that good. So I go for marriage, and I was kind of busy with my marriage life, and when my kid is 3-year-old, I have shifted to Cuttack, and my family is always there for me to share my responsibilities, and then I started preparing for civil services.
So now suppose you get a good rank and you are given your first preference Odisha Administrative
Yes, sir.
Service. So initial years will be very hectic, training and all these
Okay,
things.
sir.
How do you plan to balance it? Because you are saying that your kid is 3 years old.
He was 3 years old in 2018. Now he is
18.
5.
5. Okay. Okay. So still he is small enough. He has to get the love of and care of mother, and at the same time your job requirement will be quite strenuous. So how do you propose to balance both work and life?
So I am privileged to have a loving and caring family who could share my all responsibilities, and they are sharing it now also. And I am managing my family and studies, so I am able to complete my civil service preparation and to clear the mains. So I think my discipline and my time management will also always help me to maintain my work-life balance in future also, which I am doing now also.
Okay, fine. So history and geography. So one question from the optionals. History, which part is your favorite part? Like ancient, medieval, modern, or Odisha
Sir,
history?
my
World history?
favorite part would be world history.
World history.
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me what were the major reasons for the Renaissance in Europe?
A scientific temperament which involved in that time, many inventions, and I don't remember it properly, but I think it's the migration of attack of Muslims in Turkey area, which led to the migration of some of the scholars to Italy, and it all started there also.
Okay. Ottoman Turks basically,
okay.
started expanding during that time. Okay. And what do you think, what was the main reason for the starting of the First World War?
Starting of the First World War was basically the instant reason will be the killing of Arc de France Ferdinand by Serbian people, and it was kind of sir, I don't remember it right now.
No, that is fine.
Okay.
What you said is correct. It revolved around it. So, what do you mean by this term Balkanization?
Balkanization means the disintegration of a particular area into small groups, on the basis of culture or religion. Small group. What happened in Russia in 1991, USSR in 1991, Balkanization, disintegration.
So suppose you are posted as a Tahsildar,
Yes, sir.
okay, and late night you get a call around 1 a.m. One of your subordinates is informing you that there is some kind of sand mining, illegal sand mining going on. Okay. So at 1 o'clock in the night, what steps will you take at that time?
I would first contact the officer in charge at that area, sand mining area, what he is doing at that time, and if situation is not controlled by him, I would myself visit the place at that time o'clock.
So if you are going, how will you go there? Like that, or you take some police protection and go? Because this mining, this sand mining people would be, they may be, sometimes there is a chance
Yeah,
that
I
they
would,
will attack you.
if I am provided of protection, I would definitely go with protection, sir.
Okay, but suppose you are not provided with protection, then still you will go there physically?
Yes, sir, but in the next morning, I think I would go.
Okay, that is fine. Geography, which part is more it's comfortable to you? That is physical, human, or Indian?
It's a human geography, sir.
Human geography.
Yes, sir.
your
Basically,
stu-
settlement geography, I can say.
Settlement geography. So, can you tell me the types of settlements? So many types are there, at least 2-3 you can tell me.
Ribbon settlement, and star-like settlement, and radial settlement. I remember this only. This is the kind of rural settlement.
Okay. You have studied about migration theories.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about the basic postulates or the basic principles or characteristics of Ravenstein's theory of migration.
Sorry, sir, I don't recall it now.
Okay. So, migration is good for a place or it is bad for a place?
Sir, it is both good for a place and also sometimes bad for a place. When there is a basic kind of brain drain which is happening in many places, it affects adversely to that place. And migration also brings development, good intellectuals to the place. So it is sometimes good also. So it needs to be balanced in both ways.
So, for how long you have stayed at Caltech?
Sir, 3 years only.
1 year you were at Raipur
Yes, sir.
in Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
You were at Raipur for what, studying or?
No, sir. My husband was posted in Raipur,
Okay.
so I was there.
So you did your BTech from Kaustubh Institute of Self-Domain,
Yes, sir.
which is basically a women's engineering
Yes,
college,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So my question is like, what is your opinion about co-education, especially in context of what is happening in Afghanistan now?
Co-education should be, I think it's good for, I'm not getting the exact word I should say.
I mean, Taliban is saying that initially they were against co-education.
Okay, sir.
Education for girls at any level.
Okay, sir.
Now they are softening a bit and they are allowing university education for girls, but in segregated university
Segregated form.
campuses. Yeah. Like men and women will study differently. So you also passed your engineering
Yes,
from
sir.
a only women's engineering
Yes, sir.
college. So that is what I'm asking you.
Sir, the basic idea for segregation of education system in Taliban is based on religion only and their fundamental cultural practices.
Okay.
But I joined because of my rank only, sir.
Okay.
And there is nothing called co-education, no co-education or anything. I joined because of my rank only.
Okay. You ranked in the entrance exam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 3 years you have stayed at Cuttack, so what are the places that you generally visit and enjoy the most in Cuttack?
I visit the places only the riverside only.
Only Riverside?
Riverside, the barrage only.
Okay.
And actually, I love the Cuttack cuisine. So street side food also I love to visit.
Okay. What are the famous street side food in
The
Cuttack?
famous street, most famous is Dahi Vada Aloo Dum.
Okay.
Apart from that, Papdi Chaat and Pani Puri is also Cuttack, famous from Cuttack. And especially Thunka Puri in Bali Jatra.
Okay. Currently there was a Bandh on 13th,
Yes.
Cuttack Bandh. Why? What was the reason?
It was regarding the height of the Murti, 4 foot I think.
Of which Murti?
Durga Puja and Ganesh Puja Murti's height.
Okay. Durga Puja and Ganesh Puja. What has the government directed?
Government has directed 4 foot maximum height, 4 feet. But was opposition party was against it and was and they want to increase the height basically, and was also there is some restriction for the decoration and all. And the Bandh was regarding that only, against that restrictions only.
Okay, so what is your personal opinion? How the height of the idol is connected with corona or the spreading of corona? What is the reasoning of the government?
If height would be more, it will lead to more kind of decoration and all, which will attract more people. So in this pandemic situation, social distancing is the most important. So I think on the basis of this only 4 feet height is instructed for them.
So you agree with the government's decision?
I think I agree in this situation, because corona is third wave is awaiting only us, and Murti has to be prepared from this month only, and proper direction should be given to the Murtikars in this time only, so that they can make the Murtis on basis of the directions.
So what is the problem of the puja committees? Like it's 20 feet or 4 feet, how they are being affected by this? But the government has not said that you cannot celebrate. They are just given some guidelines. Within that guidelines you have to celebrate. What is the main reason? Why?
So I don't have idea about the exact reason, but it must be some financial reasons or chanda and all, which they would be getting.
Yes, that is correct. What you are hinting, that is correct. Fine. So okay, that will be the end of the interview. Okay, before that, according to you, what are the most important qualities that an administrative officer should have? At least 4 in order of priority, you can tell me.
First would be leadership quality.
Okay.
Second would be punctuality.
Okay.
Third would be proper delegation.
Okay.
And fourth would be awareness, which he would have, and he could pass on it to all the people he is leading.
Okay. So, do you think leaders are born or they are made by the circumstances?
Sometimes leaders are born, they have some inherent qualities, and sometimes situations make them to be leaders.
Can you give me examples from both categories?
Like Hitler, he was a kind of born leader.
Mm-hmm.
He have traits and all the characteristics, and situation make leader like Narendra Modi.
Mm-hmm.
He just evolved from a small tea seller to then his evolution in life. So leaders are made sometimes based on the situations, and some are born.
As a student of history,
Yes,
how do you evaluate Hitler?
Hitler idealism was based on chauvinism, strict I can say fundamentalism also, which was only directed towards the Germany people, not for other religious groups like Poland and Serbians or all other groups. And I am not recalling the exact terms, but that historical term I am not able to recall the particular word.
What was the main reason behind Hitler's hate for the Jews, and his concentration camps and the the
It
things which happened after that.
It was Hitler's thinking that Jews are responsible for the downfall of Germany, and because of Jews, German people are not developing, and that is, I think.
Okay, fine. So that will be the end of the interview.
Okay, sir.
So feedback ta likhi diyantu sethare. So number 1, analyze karibe video ta bhi dekhi. Eye contact is wavering. Okay, so eye contact has to be 100%. Eye contact का आपनकर पूरा जी पचारे क्वेश्चन तांकु देखिबे 90% टाइम और तांकर जे बाकी पैनलिस्ट थे तांकु मझिरे मझिरे टिके देखि देउथिबे. So your head should be moving. Okay, not always, sometimes. Okay, मझिरे so that it does not become monotonous. तो सेटा है 1 number of eye contact.
So ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲି ନା ମୋର fluctuate
No, fluctuate करते. That you can get from the video अपन analyze करें घरे अपन मिलजिवो. तो जेतरे वो पैनल को अपन आसे सेठी like 3 or 4 people मिलते. So सेठी समस्त को eye contact अपन रखेला अछि. Okay, तो सेटा हला नंबर 1. सेकंड, हेड मूवमेंट अपन को रहउची. तो अपन देखिबे सेटा एनालाइज करिवे केबे अपन बेको भांगी की राइट. ओके, so it's not straight, तो बेको भांगी की रहउची. तो सेटा गोटे जिंस आउ हैंड मूवमेंट केते जगह रे अपन को थिला. तो सेगुडा जेते मिनिमाइज करिवे बेटर. ओके, तापरे your flow of speech is very good. Sometimes it is very fast.
I think because of fear. I think I'm nervous, kind of nervous. That's why it is happening.
Why should you be nervous about the bhalar answer dochenti?
Because sir, I would say I have not prepared I have not studied from last 7 days. This is my fresh interview. It's kind of personal reason. My father is having BP.
With, on camera.
Oh, sorry, sir.
So, after I switch it
Okay.
off.
Okay, sir.
Yes, the feedback ta de diye.
Okay.
Okay. So, how kon apan so this flow of speech is very good. But sometimes it is too fast. So semane bhi bujhi para darkar apan kon.
Okay, sir.
Right? तापरे आउ कोन चेंजेस आपनकर. सो सब्जेक्ट मैटर इज गुड. सेटा आपन प्रॉपर्ली करचंदी. मे बी कटक करिका आपन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोफाइल ता पढु चंदा थरे. आज ओके ताकु टिके टाइम नै कि सेटा देखि यू हैव टाइम अबाउट 28 रे अछि ना के अछि.
First अछि sir.
1st October लॉट ऑफ टाइम इज तो बहुत टाइम होते ताकु. सो एई जो 10-15 डेज रहिबो एबे टू आपन को इंटरव्यू करजंतो लोकल न्यूज स्पेशली कटक रो न्यूज आ ओडिसा रो न्यूज सेटा बेसिक के ता ऊपर गुरुत्व रे काहेना नेशनल इंटरनेशनल अपन बहुत सोर्सेस टू पाइबे. सेही न्यूज स्टोरी के देखिया रहछ. दे विल गो फॉर दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. Especially if any scheme etc. is launched now, if the government is taking some steps, okay, से पूरा ठीक है अपना माइंड में रखिए. Okay, so बाकी सब ठीक अछि. अपना को मेन स्किल लीजिए.
Sir, my history paper 1 was not good.
तो किसी मार्क्स स्टडी के देबो.
No sir, I have attended all the questions,
All
but
the-
I think question was not expected from me. That some question on Dara Shikho and how Chandragupta Maurya annexed.
Okay, fine.
So
2000 marks, everything you have attempted.
yeah, yes sir.
Okay. Fine. So, agents ठीक है देखिए.